once nagbigyan na po kayo ng full-time work permit, pwede na po kayo maghanap ng work in your profession. Next, unlimited work rights, binaba po ito ng Australian government last year, noong June 30. Nagbigay sila ng benefits sa mga students na unlimited work rights. So, we hope so na dito sa this year, magbaba ulit ang Australian government ng unlimited work rights. Kasi sobrang helpful ang benefits na ito as a student. Kasi pwede tayo mag-work kahit ilang oras. So, you must have sufficient funds. So, ano nga po ba yung meaning ng sa immigration account po dito? So, kailangan lang po nating patunayan ng ating sarili na kaya po natin sa ating sarili sa immigration, na kaya po nating sustentuhan ang ating pagstay sa Australia as a student visa holder, yung living expenses, yung tuition fee, yung ating isang taon or 2 taon or more than na pagstay sa Australia. So dito, kailangan lang natin ilagay kung magkano kung sino yung magiging sponsor, ano yung funding type, ano yung value ng pera nyo sa Australian dollars, and yung final institution like BDO, BPI, or PNB, kung ano po yung institution na meron po kayo. So, what are the typical reason of rejection? Nangunguna po dyan yung ating health. Because once you have a problem sa medical, ino-auto-denied, ino-auto-reject po nila. Or minsan, pag okay sa immigration, binibigyan po tayo ng pabor na i-treatment po muna natin yung ating sakit. So, eto, paalala lang, if you have a blood disorder, cancer, heart disease, hepatitis B, C, or liver disease, HIV infection including AIDS, kidney disease including dialysis, mental illness, pregnancy, respiratory disease that has required hospital admission or oxygen therapy, pwede po tayo ma-reject or ma-denied once you have this kind of health problem. So let's proceed for our actual courses. For early childhood education and care courses and community service courses, we have related courses of Certificate 3, Diploma of Early Childhood, Package Early Childhood, Certificate 4, and Mental Health, Diploma of Community Service, Package Health and Community Course. Ayan po yung kanilang enrollment, tuition, material fees na onshore tsaka offshore. So for management courses, information technology courses, automotive course, ayan din po yung onshore, offshore na enrollment, tuition, and material fees. Each courses. So you have an idea of how much you're gonna spend for that kind of course. Kailangan po yung kunin po nating kurso is related sa natapos po natin dito sa Pilipinas para hindi po tayo ma-denied or ma-reject ng immigration or ma-identify na we are not a genuine student. Trade courses, engineering course, hospitality courses, ayan din po yung enrollment, tuition, and material fees. Course start date po or tinatawag na intake. So, as I said earlier, we have 3 upcoming intakes this 2024. So, for April, July, and October. And sinabi ko po kanina, for April, they have a benefits of no show money, no IELTS, and and approve your visa as fast as 60 days. Siguro pinakamatagal na yung 60 days, I think. Because as an experience ko sa mga client is, pagkatapos nila mag-medical, 1 week after your medical, minsan na-approve na sila. So, this April, kailangan po natin habulin. If nagpa-plan ka for April intake, start your application now or this month. Kailangan ma-approve tayo before April. And pag medyo gusto mo ng July, you can start your application this month para sa July intake. And the last intake for 2024 is October. So, summary of fees. So, ito yung mapakita namin na estimated lang po ito. Kasama po dito yung tuition fee, enrollment fee, material fee, application fee po sa visa, medical fee, OSHC or 1-year single applicant, biometrics. Yung total po na magagastos natin, estimated lang po ito, is 7,245 Australian dollars. So sa peso, it's 253,550 pesos. So add 10% buffer para hindi po tayo kulangan sa ating processing or on our processing para kahit much better sumobra, wag lang po kumulang. Dahil minsan nagtataas po yung kanilang mga fees or bumababa. So, estimated lang po yan, add 10% buffer each fees. So, how to earn 1 million in just 5 months? Grabe, 1 million in just 5 months. Di ba paano yun? Because or dahil if you work 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, you will be paid 1,400 per week Australian dollar. So biruin mo yon, if regular employee ka lang dito sa Pilipinas, I doubt kung ma-earn natin yung 1 million in just 5 months. Lalong-lalo na pag student ka, di ba? Pero sa Australia, student ka na, may part-time job ka, nag-earn ka ng pera. So, sa loob ng 5 buwan mo sa Australia, nakapag-ipon ka na ng 1 million. Siyempre, hindi may iwasan yung gastos, living expenses. Yun nga yung haka-haka na doble pa daw yung living expenses sa Australia. Pero kung nasa Australia ka na, parang minsan mabibigla ka sa presyo na, ay, ang mura naman pala. Parang ganon. Minsan kasi haka-haka pag hindi pa tayo nakapunta sa isang bansa. Right? But, yeah, as I said earlier, uh, pag student ka dito sa Pilipinas, imposible maka-earn tayo ng 1 million in just 5 months. Kahit nga may negosyo tayo, di ba? Pero in Australia, it's possible to earn million in just 5 months. So here is the computation. And ayan, yung makikita po natin sa 5 months na yan is 28,000 Australian dollars. So sa peso, it's 1 million pesos. Grabe, you earn 1 million in just 5 months. Tayo parang taon pa natin maiipon yun, di ba? Pero yeah, as a Australian visa, a student visa holder, it's possible to earn million in Australia. So, paano pag couple ka pa? Kapag kasama mo yung boyfriend mo, husband mo, live-in partner mo, or they called sa Australia de facto. De facto is a legal, like parang legal kayo mag-live-in partner, something ganon. And as a couple, pagsasamahin yung salary nyo. So, if a couple work 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, they will be paid 1,400 per week each. So, together, they make 2,800 per week. So, pag 5 months, yung computation po is 56 Australian dollar. 56,000 Australian dollars. So, sa peso, it's 2 million. So, ito yung magiging stepping stone nyo as a couple. Pag nag-iipon, di ba, merong live-in partner na nag-iipon para sa future, di ba? Eh, pag mag-ano kayo relationship, hindi na kayo mag-aaway sa pera. Dahil sa Australia, you can earn 2 million in just 5 months. Student ka pa nun, part-time lang trabaho mo nun. Yung partner mo may full-time work permit, makakaipon or makaka-earn na kayo ng 2 million pesos in just 5 months. So, here is the, ito yung, like, wait, something. Okay. Ito yung 8-step application process ng Accentrex. So, step 1, sign the agreement or tinatawag na contract signing. May kontrata po ang Accentrex na ipapapirmahan o ipapapabasa po sa inyo na doon po nakasaad lahat ng rules and regulation for the payment, yung processing. So, sign the agreement. Step 2, submit all the requirements. Yung requirements siguro like TOR, diploma, resume, passport, NBI, something mga common na requirements. Step 3, assessment of your qualification. Step 4, you will receive an advice from our educational counselor, our principal consultant, para po hindi po kayo malito sa processing or sa step-by-step processing po natin. Step 5, submit application to school or the offer letter for school. Step 6, convince the immigration that you are a genuine student. Dito po papasok ang GTE, tsaka SOP or Statement of Purpose. Step 7, submit visa application. Step 8, arrange accommodation and travel to Australia. So I think ito yung pinaka-exciting part, yung nag-arrange na tayo ng accommodation. Kasi like pag nasa biyahe na tayo, kasi I think 8 hours or 9 hours ang biyahe papuntang Australia. So dito, medyo exciting part na kasi kukuha tayo ng plane ticket, gano'n, yung bahay natin. So parang na visa granted na tayo, so hinga na tayo ng malalim, right? So these are the steps that a student will undergo but not limited. So form, fill up the PDF form agreement, school enrollment form, submit all the required document, pay the enrollment fee direct to school. Wala pong dadaan sa company except the professional fee or the company fee. Lahat po ng mga babayaran like tuition, medical, visa application fee is directly po sa mga institution na yun. So, ang ating eccentric word of the day, it's a big word, it's a big world out there. It would be a shame not to experience it. So, if you have any question sa ating seminar, just drop down. Then I'll give you a minute, then I'll answer it right away. If interesado naman po kayo mag-set up ng face-to-face consultation dito sa aming office sa AIC Burgundy Empire Tower, Ortigas, room 1414 at the back of Robinson Galleria. Just drop down your full name and number, then after the seminar, tatawagan po kayo namin. Oh, someone's calling! Sana ikaw tong nanonood, ikaw yung viewers ko ngayon. Thank you everyone for joining our seminar this afternoon. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Hello, good afternoon.